Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make pudding from leftover bread. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 6 cups of stale bread, cut into 1-inch cubes. Next, prepare 2 cups of milk, 3 large eggs, and 1/2 cup of sugar. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon for that perfect flavor. This simple recipe is a fantastic way to use up old bread. Now, let's create the delicious custard base. In a large bowl, whisk together the 2 cups of milk, 3 large eggs, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Make sure everything is thoroughly combined and smooth. This creamy mixture is what will transform your stale bread into a delightful dessert, giving it a rich and moist texture. With your custard ready, it's time to assemble the pudding. First, lightly grease a 9x13-inch baking dish. Then, arrange your 6 cups of bread cubes evenly in the dish. Carefully pour the custard mixture over the bread, ensuring every piece is well coated. Let the bread soak for at least 20 minutes or even up to 30 minutes to absorb all that wonderful flavor. Finally, it's time to bake your bread pudding to perfection. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the baking dish in the oven and bake for 45 to 55 minutes. The pudding is ready when it's golden brown and set in the center. Let it cool slightly, then serve warm with a dollop of whipped cream or a scoop of ice cream. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.